I gave one AI 50 research files and a wall of links about the AI video market. One run came back with a sourced market report, a comparison spreadsheet, a strategy deck, and an interactive website. This is not a chatbot answering one question. This is Kimi Agent Swarm acting like an entire research department. You're going to be finding the link to this down in the description below of this video, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. Here's the real problem. At Vortex, we track new AI video models, image generators, creative agents, APIs, pricing changes, model strengths, and release updates. The information is scattered across technical papers, product pages, benchmark posts, social announcements, PDFs, and our own testing notes. By the time one comparison is finished, 3 models have changed. So, my case study for today is an AI video intelligence war room. The goal is to identify which models are strongest for character consistency, physical motion, camera control, dialogue, product advertising, long-form storytelling, speed, and cost. I also want the result in several formats because a research report, a working data set, and a presentation solve different parts of the job. I start with Kimi Agent Swarm and upload the material that we already have. That includes model documentation, benchmark PDFs, pricing tables, release notes, prompt tests, output screenshots, and internal scoring sheets as well. Now, Kimi can analyze up to 50 files and handle up to 200 words of context so that I don't have to split the project into tiny disconnected conversations. Next, I paste a structured brief. I define the model categories, the scoring criteria, the date range, the required sources, and the deliverables. I ask for a consulting style market report, an Excel comparison table, a 3rd slide executive deck, and an interactive website where models can be filtered by use case, quality, speed, price, and API availability. Now this is where Agent Swarm changes the workflow. Kimi can run up to 300 sub-agents in parallel across thousands of steps. Instead of one agent researching every model in sequence, different agents can expect technical documentation, collect pricing, check release dates, review benchmarks, organize citations, design charts, structure the report, and build the website at the same time. The Swarm dashboard makes the scale visible. Separate research paths branch out, intermediate findings appear, and the system keeps combining the work into one final package altogether. It's still important to review the results, but the research is no longer hidden between and behind one mysterious answer. I can follow the source trail and inspect the links supporting the claims. The first deliverable is the model comparison dataset. Every row covers one model and includes release information, supported inputs, output formats, maximum duration, available resolutions, API status, pricing structure, strengths, limitations, and the creative scenarios where it performs best. I can sort the sheet for product videos, animated shorts, consistent characters, fast drafts, or high detail final shots. The second deliverable is the report. Instead of a long wall of text, Kimi organizes the findings with professional charts, heat maps, model clusters, source notes, and clear recommendations. One section maps quality against generation speed. Another compares creative control against cost. A third separates models built for quick social clips from models better suited to complex multi-shot work. The strategy deck turns that research into something a team can use in a meeting. The opening slides explain the market. The middle section compares the strongest categories. The final section recommends a model stack for Vortex, including which models should be tested through an API, which belong in fast ideation, and which deserve deeper creative evaluation. The interactive website is the most useful part for daily work. I can choose a use case such as product commercial, an animated character sequence, or a dialogue scene, and the page filters the research into practical shortlist. Each result links back to its source and the supporting notes so that the website is not just a pretty dashboard with unexplained scores. I run a second round to pressure test the recommendations. I ask Kimi to find contradictions between official claims, third-party benchmarks, and our internal test files. I also asked it to flag missing data instead of inventing a score. This creates a cleaner limitation section and prevents the final ranking from looking more certain than the evidence allows. Now for the third round, I turn the research into a content package. Kimi creates a Vortex video outline, a comparison article, a newsletter summary, and a set of visual chart concepts from the same approved dataset. Because Agent Swarm can return Word, PDF, PowerPoint, Excel, websites, and images in one run, the research can move directly into several publishing formats. Kimi also performs real-time web search across more than 1,000 websites, which matters in a market that changes constantly. Now, when a model launches or pricing changes, I can refresh that section instead of rebuilding the entire project. For finance-focused research, Kimi also connects to live sources such as market data, the IMF, the World Bank, Yahoo Finance, and Binance, but this Vortex project stays focused on creative technology. The biggest advantage is scale with structure. A normal chatbot can summarize one page. This project needs research, comparison, data cleaning, charts, citations, slides, and a working web output. Kimi Agent Swarm coordinates these jobs together, and Kimi says the experience is currently free with unlimited usage. Keep that in mind. KIMI 2.6 is the latest open weight model from Kimi, but Agent Swarm is the feature that makes this project actually interesting. Because it turns one large objective into parallel specialist tasks and turns a finished package instead of leaving me to assemble fragments across several tools alone. This does not remove human judgment. Don't get this wrong. I still verify important claims, inspect citations, test the recommended models, and decide what Vortex should actually use. The difference is that I begin with a structured research system instead of an empty spreadsheet and 2 weeks of manual collection. Click the link down in the description below and try Kimi Agent Swarm with a real research problem. Give it your files, define the deliverables, require clickable sources, and see whether one prompt can replace the most repetitive part of your next market analysis. Having said that, that'll be all for today's breakdown, and I'll see you all in the next one.